Cleaning the toilet again? We invented technology that cleans the floor, cleans windows, trims the lawn, washes dishes, and cleans the laundry. But only for the assignment we hate the most, there's no solution. Until now. Introducing Spinx, a revolutionary toilet cleaning robot that cleans your toilet bowl and seat automatically in just 90 seconds. Spinx was designed to make your toilet cleaning experience more efficient. At the touch of a button, it makes your toilet clean and shiny. A smart sensor scans your toilet shape, and a smart robotic arm goes out of a hidden cell and gets to every spot in the bowl. Equipped with a jet of water and soap, the brush rapidly rotates even underwater. Dirt and bacteria don't have a chance. You won't need to take care of anything. The brush cleans and dries itself, killing up to 99.99% bacteria. Even the seat gets cleaned. Soap and water jets are washing the seat thoroughly, followed by a compressed air drying it perfectly. And when it's all done, Spinx returns back to its elegant and luxurious look. Spinx operates on low power consumption. Every 30 sessions, charge the battery and add your favorite soap. Spinx is suitable for every toilet. Even at the office, you can continue to take care of your business instead of your toilet and save precious time. Forget about cleaning the toilet forever. Perfect cleaning has never been easier. Spinx, the world's first automatic toilet cleaning robot.
Hi, my name is Ariel.
And I'm Hila. We have 4 children and we hate to clean the toilet.
That's why we created Spinx. We've built an amazing team of engineers and designers, and we've created a smart product that saves time and effort.
We've completed the design and have sourced the manufacturers. Now we are ready to make the last adjustments and go to production. In order to bring Spinx to families and businesses around the world, we need your support to produce Spinx at an industrial scale. Thank you.
We wake up each morning to a brand new day, a day of balance and wellness. We nourish our body with healthy foods. We physically stretch our bodies in hopes of stretching our minds. Everything we do goes back to our well-being. But there is one piece we often tend to neglect from the wellness puzzle. Introducing Turbo, a simple and effective addition to your daily routine. Before the 19th century, toilets were non-existent. People used to squat to release. 2/3 of the world actually still do, and for good reason. As we adopted the toilet into our lives, we unknowingly added tension and straining during bowel movements. Studies have shown us the perpendicular posture brought on by the toilet creates a kink in the colon, which makes it difficult to go. It also makes us susceptible to a number of other health issues. By elevating your feet, that kink disappears. Your muscles are able to relax and your colon is open for quick and efficient release.
And that's why we invented Turbo.
Turbo is an elegant yet affordable solution that makes a great addition to any bathroom. Its sleek design allows for flexibility and comfort. The unique ramp design makes using Turbo easier for any person of any size. The lower toe area allows you to easily load your feet. Then you can position your feet forward or backward on the ramp to adjust to a squat that's just right for you. And with Turbo, squatting is only the beginning. Turbo comes with interchangeable massage rollers to further increase your comfort on the toilet. Not only does it feel good, but it can help with constipation too. Your feet have pressure points that can stimulate your colon when it's time to go. Massaging with Turbo also helps with blood circulation, which can improve your energy levels to get you through the day.
We have come a long way and we are almost there. The only thing missing is your support.
A study done in 2013 found that thousands of microorganisms, some being pathogenic such as E. coli, is present in any toilet bowl. Even after being bleached and cleaned thoroughly, microorganisms still existed. There are few things that we as human beings all have in common, but using the restroom is one of those things. The thought of such an everyday action potentially causing a fatal infection is a very real thought. As men, the older you get, the jewels you guard as the most sacred begin to take a trip south, or more politically correct, your testicles begin to sag. The ability to have comfort and peace of mind when using the restroom is something that affects every man. Not having to hold your scrotum out of a bacteria-infested toilet bowl is a right and privilege that every man should be allowed. The thought of accidentally contracting a disease while using the restroom is probably something that does not cross the average male's mind too often. However, it really should. At Aspect Creations, this idea was something that the inventors and scientists took extremely serious. So now we introduce to you the ManShield. This is a product designed to protect a male's manhood. This right here is a prototype of the ManShield, but the official one will be made with lightweight and environmentally safe disposable materials. To use it, you just simply attach it to the commode and sit down and let nature do the rest. Once the moment is complete, it's a snap to dispose of and continue on with the daily grind with the reassured knowledge that you were not exposed to any hazardous wastes. The ManShield allows a man to place his testicles out of harm's way when making a bowel. It allows a man to completely relax and not have to worry about having to hold his testicles out of dirty toilet water. Using the restroom should always be a moment of privacy and solitude, not stress and fear of accidental disease contraction. The ManShield is an everyday product for the man who cares about his hygiene to the fullest capacity of doing so. Now, let's also assess the medical applications of the ManShield. As men and women, we all have men that we care about and love in our lives. Our uncles, fathers, husbands, brothers, and the list goes on. If any of these men ever find themselves in a time of crisis, testicular cancer, vasectomy, or any surgery on the testicular area, the first thought should be to protect the wound. The ManShield is ideal for this purpose. It will guard a man's wound while allowing him to use the restroom in peace and with peace of mind. The applications of the ManShield are endless. Men's healthcare is important, and protection of your health is not to be taken lightly. Today, Aspect Creations is asking for your support to help bring the ManShield to homes, office buildings, restaurants, malls, stores, etc. to keep our men clean and disease-free when going to the restroom. Aspect Creations believe that health is a priority, and the ManShield is a very important line of defense against unhealthy restroom use. Be a part of a revolutionary product that will change the lives of men across the nation and the world. Thank you for your support. The ManShield is fully patented and is ready for manufacturing. With your backing, Aspect Creations will be able to create the molds and obtain the materials needed to make this revolutionary product available to everyone.
Hi, did you know that every bathroom should have an American bidet? Why? Simple. Toilet paper just wipes, leaving a thin film of poop behind that's unhygienic and uncomfortable. Water cleans, and that really clean feeling is what you want. Everybody should use the American bidet, men and women, young and old. And ladies, you will love its special feminine wash feature. The American bidet cleans so well that it completely eliminates the need for wipes or a shower after using the toilet. So, You're just going to love that clean feeling. For more information, see our story down below. Please back our campaign. Buy your American bidet now.
Love digging through DOP kits, sorting through slimy Ziplocs, and interrupting makeout sessions between hygiene products? Neither do we. This is the Tashtego Travel Kit, the best way to keep all your travel toiletries organized, clean, and ready to go. We designed the first Tashtego to organize our toiletries in a clean, compact way. We launched it on Kickstarter, and it was a rocking success. Now, we're making it even better. Presenting Tashtego 2.0, the ultimate travel kit for all your toiletries. Like the original Tashtego, separated compartments and a top flap keep your essentials readily available and organized, and prevent any inappropriate touching. We added more pockets and made the compartments bigger, so you can store everything you need, from nail clippers to an electric toothbrush. All our pockets are now made of a single direction mesh that will never stretch out. Store different sized items securely, see exactly where they are when you need them, and never leave them behind when you're done. A silicone bead backing prevents slipping and keeps all your belongings firmly placed in the kit. We used a heavy-duty nylon that's 100% waterproof. Keep your toiletries clean and separated from petri dishes. Countertops. A new G-hook design ensures your Tashtego stays tightly closed no matter how big or small it gets. And dual metal grommets let you hang Tashtego anywhere. Plus, washing is super easy. Simply rinse over a sink or throw it in the washing machine. Tashtego is super durable and dries quickly. Whether you're camping in the woods, washing up at a hotel, or getting ready for your buddy's third wedding, Tashtego is perfect for all your personal care travel needs. Keep everything organized and separated. No mess, no fuss, no makeout sessions. Back our campaign now and travel differently. Tashtego 2.0. Where will you go?